Accurate detecting is essential to ensure safety and efficacy for image-guided high-intensity focused ultrasound systems. Our protocol can evaluate the detecting accuracy of ultrasound-guided high-intensity focused ultrasound phased array systems. This technique can be used to evaluate the detecting accuracy in the treatment plane while taking into consideration a clinically relevant tissue path.
This method can be applied to ultrasound-guided high-intensity focused ultrasound systems with a self-focused transducer using different ultrasound image reconstruction methods. Visual demonstration of this method can help others fully understand the protocol, especially how to determine the location of the target in the reconstructed ultrasound image.
Before making the phantom, fabricate the model. This 3D printed model is a square with side lengths of 40 millimeters. A solid ball is at each corner. With the model at hand, make the phantom holder. For this, get an acrylic baseboard and an 8 centimeter diameter plastic cylinder that is 3 centimeters tall. Use silica gel to attach them to form a holder. Let the assembly sit for 1 hour. Now, move on to make the phantom from fresh bovine muscle. Slice the muscle into a square with sides of 30 millimeters and 10 millimeter thickness. Ventilate the tissue with a fan for 2 hours to evaporate moisture. Next, prepare to work with hazardous chemicals.